Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do this scarf, this piece de resistance. I wanted to do a chit chat get ready with me because I'm very aware that I haven't actually introduced myself on this channel. So to my new followers, even to the people that know me, I just want to be able to tell you a bit about who I am, what I like doing, but I don't know exactly what it is you might want to know. So if you are interested in a get to know me, chit chat, get ready with me kind of video, then please leave questions below so that I can add them to the video. For those who don't know, I'm Miss Mary Mac. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me on this ride. I am at night. I'm Miss Mary Mac. I am hoping to do a lot more videos over the Christmas period because obviously I have time off work. So if there's any videos you want to see, then please, as usual, leave them in the comments below and I'll get to it. I am aware that I've been off YouTube for a while. I'm sorry. You can't take a break in this digital sphere. Like, it's like you go missing amongst all the other YouTubers. So yeah, I'm heading out. But I want to show you how I did this scarf. I haven't done my hair in weeks. Literally weeks. I done nothing. Nada. Nothing. The only thing I've done is washed it and moisturized. So I'm heading out and I still want to look cute. So I went for this scarf look. And in this video I'm just going to show you how I did it. So it's going to be a very quick video. But yeah, I just wanted to say I'm very aware that I'm sorry I haven't introduced myself. I haven't explained what the channel will be about and things, but hopefully I can do that soon. And if you have any questions, just please make sure to ask so that I can include it in that video or include my answers in that video. So yeah, without any other delay, because I'm talking a bit too much considering I have to leave, let's get to the video. So as I mentioned before, I haven't actually done anything to my hair. I've been rocking these flat twists. What I tried to do were flat twists, but yeah, as you can see, my hair is quite thick. What I've been doing is at least twice a week I re-moisturize and put it back into this hairstyle, and this is literally how I've been going to work. I will not be judged. I cannot be judged. So yeah, because my hair is quite thick and it's quite puffy, I think maybe if I had used a blow dryer or straightened my hair, then obviously the flat twist will look nicer and it will lay flatter. But because it's not, and because I'm in a rush, I've just retwisted, re-moisturized. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this skull cap to try and flatten it as much as possible so that when I put the scarf over it doesn't look like I just have these two big doo-doo plaits to the side of my head or something. So yeah, I get this skull cap and I just put it on like so. As you can see, it's kind of contained what is the madness that's happening with my hair at the moment. It's kind of flattened it a little bit. It's kind of contained it. It's giving me a different shape. Giving my head a different shape. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this nice blue scarf. It's quite long. And it's got a bit of green, black and purple in it. I love this scarf. Can you see what I did? I put a little bit of blue under my eyes just to match. The girl did that. So yeah, I'm using this scarf and I'm basically taking it as it is. I think I might turn to the side for this so that you can see a bit better. Hopefully you can. So what I do is, in its original state, I just put it to the back like this. And I try and move it so that these sections are the same length on either side. So what I do is I just tighten it by pulling it forward like so. as you can see. And then I just twist it so that the opposite is now on opposite sides. I don't know if that makes sense. So I just bring, basically I bring this side here and bring this side here. Yeah, so I've done that. And then what I do is I just twist the two sections. As you can see, all I'm doing is just twisting the two sections. And this reminds me of a Bantu knot. And that's basically what we're doing, a Bantu knot on the front of our head with a scarf. If you haven't seen my Bantu knot video, please check it out. It's the next video in the line at the end of the credits. Not the credits, the end screen. I'm still getting used to this YouTube terminology, forgive. So I twist like this. And then what I do is as I'm twisting, damn it.
A few moments later.
Let me put my phone on silent actually. So where was I? Okay, yeah. So what I do is as I'm twisting, I'm basically creating a Bantu knot at the front. So I'm just wrapping it around itself as I continue to twist. Now with this scarf, it's actually frayed at the end. So can you see these little bits? So I'm gonna have to tuck those in as well as I'm twisting around. You can see it's starting to take shape. And I just adjust as I go as well. And I don't need to use a hairband or anything to make sure it's secure. Just tuck the end inside somewhere. And that's it. Voila, you're good to go. A very, very simple scarf style to do. If you want more scarf styles, let me know. As I said, I'm in a rush, so I can't add more to this video. Otherwise, it would have been a 10 different ways of styling your scarf kind of video. But I don't have that time, unfortunately. So yeah, so this is the finished look. Yes, melanin popping, dribbling, all that jazz. Very cute, still very stylish. Yeah. But yeah, this is the finished look. Very simple. So that's it from me for this video, guys. I will see you in my next one, which will be very, very soon. I'm on holiday from work. Have I said this already? Yeah, I'm on holiday from work for like 3 days. I'm not really on holiday. I'm just on holiday for 3 days. And so I'll try and do as many videos as I can. So my hair is looking kind of flat. But either ways, I think the whole Bantu knot in the front distracts from the fact that it's kind of puffy. And, you know, the makeup and the look is snatched. It's really snatched, so yeah. So that's it from me, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Oh, hey. Hey, girl, hey. Snap, you love take picture. But you still don't get a picture. Girl, you live your life on a filter. It's not everyday Insta, even though it is, but okay.